Why do babies get hiccups at the worst time? I have a beef with hiccups. Baby's finally asleep. Here comes the hiccup. I really need to know. Who do I sue? Who do I hold? You've spent 2 hours trying to get this baby down. The minute you get the baby down, it's like, here comes the hiccup. You thought you could get rid of me? Oh my God. Mom life is so unpredictable because I'd never understand it. It's like the hiccup just chooses the most wrongest time in history. I want to fight. Like, you think nap time was peaceful? Here comes the hiccup.